In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scatter chart with smooth lines in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file where you want to add the chart. The main goal here is to turn a simple set of values into a visual chart that makes patterns and relationships easier to understand at a glance. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B7. Typically, this means you have one column for your X values and another column for your Y values. Keeping the data organized in two columns is important because a scatter chart uses paired numeric values to plot each point correctly. Next, select the data. Go ahead and highlight the entire table so Excel knows exactly which values to use for the chart. This step is important because the chart will be built directly from the range you select. If the full table is selected, Excel can create the chart more accurately and save you from having to adjust the data range later. After that, head to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click the option labeled Insert Scatter, also known as X, Y, or Bubble Chart. This menu gives you several chart variations, so make sure you choose the one called Scatter with Smooth Lines. As soon as you click that option, Excel will create the chart automatically based on the data you selected. You'll see each data point plotted on the chart, and instead of using straight line segments, Excel will connect those points with a smooth line. This creates a cleaner, more polished visual that can be especially helpful when you want to show the general flow or trend in your data. Now take a moment to view the result. Each point on the chart represents one pair of values from your table, and the smooth line helps you see how those points relate to one another over the full range of data. This can make the chart easier to read, especially when you want to present trends in a more visually appealing way. And that's it. You've successfully created a scatter chart with smooth lines in Excel. It's a quick process, but it can make your data much more meaningful and easier to present.